Officially day 2 in Georgia. Today I'm deciding to go to an old town north of the capital, Tbilisi, and this town is considered one of the oldest continuously inhabited places in the world. And this place is called Mtskheta. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, probably wrong, probably horribly wrong. I'm sorry for any Georgians watching this, but that's the agenda for today, and this is what it looks like right now in Tbilisi, right on Mtskheta. We have made it to Mtskheta. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but this is what it's looking like. This right here is a monastery behind me, and just behind this, up on the mountains, is beautiful right there. Sat alone on that mountain. So this place is Svetitskhoveli. Oh, look at that horse. It's like a fort in here. Wow. Oh. Very ancient cathedral, church, monastery. So let me just give you guys a quick context of what is happening here. So I was chilling outside this tourist information center, and this Georgian man came up to me asking if I wanted to visit Jvari Monastery, the cross monastery, which was that monastery located on top of that hill. At first, I neither accepted or declined, and then went inside the tourist center. Not long after, I came out, and he was still out there just walking around, and came up to me again, offering his services again. And then I tried to bargain, and I said 20 lari, which is in Russian 20 lari, and then he accepted. So that's the context. 20 можно. 20? Реально? Пойдет. Я автобус, автобусники. И тоже 20 сказал мне.
У них машина на газ. Хорошая машина. У меня новая машина. Бензин.
Бензин.
Бензин. Petrol be too much.
Да. Вот. Вы любите путешествовать?
Я путешествую по всей Грузии, когда у меня турагентство. Приезжают туристы из России, из Европы.
Вы первый раз?
Да, я организую их путешествия, ночевки, застолья, проводу экскурсии. Chacha, водка. Georgian family chacha. Chacha.
Какая самая любимая Грузия
Блюдо?
еда?
Хачапури, хинкали.
Хачапури.
Хинкали. Чакапули, чашушули, шкмерули, харчо.
Jvari Monastery. The taxi driver just told me, well, not taxi, it's a random guy, But he just told me Jvari means cross, and this is actually the first UNESCO's World Heritage Site to be constituted in Georgia. Might need to fact check that, but anyways, here is it, the Cross Monastery. There we go, UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Yes. Wow. Look how this river just splits into two. The mountains, and this UNESCO's World Heritage Site city, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities, I think, in the world actually. Why is the cross bent? I find that really interesting. This is St. Nino's Cathedral, the third cathedral monastery in this city. Now, I kind of learned how to pronounce this. I might mess it up, but it's like Mtskheta. Mtskheta. And this is the last one, St. Nino's in Samtavro, something like that. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any footage inside because there is a service going on, and also there were signs that you can't videotape and take photos inside, so best to respect that. Because this is like really countryside, the bus run like I think every 1 hour or something, so I decided to get some fish and some Georgian salad to eat while we wait for the bus. Oh, hello. We got two of them. This is like the old town area. Wow. Sweet. I think there's nut inside. Not bad. I'll try a black one. That's nice. Okay, so now I think we have to go quickly back to the bus stop to catch the bus.